What's in those?
Oh, a dollar bill!
Oh, wow.
I think there's another one.
Keep looking.
Keep looking.
Oh! Keep looking. Here's another one.
Wow.
Keep looking.
There's another one. Keep looking.
Now he's got the hang of it.
I see.
Any more?
Keep looking, buddy.
Yeah. Cards? What are these? Ah.
Good.
Oh!
Push that forward a little bit.
They're just some little stickers.
Stickers!
Little prizes in there.
I want one.
You can share with your brother, can't you?
I'll share with you, Alina. I want that big. There's more. That one.
I think you still got some more stuff in
I
there.
don't know if I see any more.
I think you might have some more.
Well,
Lena, I
Let him
found,
find the treasures.
found what? What? I found Mater. It's Mater. Another dollar bill. Another dollar bill? You're fine.
Hey,
Oh, here's another one. Wow.
how many do you
how
have?
many did you
How
have?
many did you find?
An apple.
How many did you find? Count them.
Count them up, buddy.
That's your dollar bill.
birthday. Little special birthday thing.
Daddy. I'm going to keep looking for some more.
Well, you count them first, okay?
Count them.
Count them first.
One,
Thank
two,
you.
3,
The apple.
4. 5, 6.
There's one more.
One more dollar bill. Here's one.
Okay, there you found them all.
Big one, I think it is. Oh, yes.
You found them all.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, $7.
You got
And how old are you going to be?
7.
You're going to be 7.